Mon. 02 October 2017. The vinyl version of the LP is coming out in December. Mon. 02 October 2017. The first record, by Dozzy himself, is out in November. Mon. 02 October 2017. The LP features extended versions of tracks from Dan Snaith's Fabric Live mix. Mon. 02 October 2017. Listen to the record's lead track, Gift, ahead of its October 27th release. Mon. 02 October 2017. The 7th release on the UK producer's Polykicks label will land on October 13th. Boo. 28 September 2017. The 34-track set was curated by label head KODE9 and Nick Dwyer, who writes and co-directs RBMA's Diggin' in the Carts documentary series. Sat. 30 September 2017. The second edition of Walking Falling, organized by Sassmouth, Kiddo, Ariel Satina and Jarvie, happens next week. 2/03 October 2017. Miss Kitten features on the LP, which is coming out that month.